We're the cooks, and this is our boat, Hangtime. We've spent the last 2 years getting to know how to sail and having some great adventures along the way. The best is yet to come. Join us as we continue to explore the world on our floating home.
You have the time to have another game, or are you busy?
I'll have to check my my schedule, but I think I might be able to squeeze y'all in.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7
Char, what day is it?
It's
Oh,
day
it's such a good day.
11.
It's 9 green day.
It's day 14. We've been in this for 14 days, 2 weeks, 7,000 minutes, 80 billion
You should have
seconds.
grown a beard. You shouldn't have shaved.
I didn't shave.
Huh?
I don't have a beard.
You had some peach fuzz going there before.
So I'm turning into a peach?
You're cute as a peach.
Peaches aren't cute. Oh, I get it now.
Last day, 4 hours left. Trying to get some wheel pizza here. I've called 33 times over the last hour, and they're still not picking up the goddamn phone.
Come on, Kathy! Come on, Kathy!
We're almost ready to break quarantine to go get that pizza, and we're going to the back door. We are not going to the front. This is the one, Char. Do I have the right number?
4565?
Yeah. And the back door number.
That one's top secret.
They have not put that phone on the hook tonight.
This isn't gonna work. We gotta do it around.
Don't do it, Charlie. Don't.
Get off the street!
Don't do it. Oh, he's getting crazy. Touch the street, I dare you.
The street?
3 hours left in quarantine.
3 hours? So it's 9 o'clock?
If he didn't say 12:01, we'd be at the wheel right now.
You're crazy. Do it.
What time is it? And what time is it?
Almost time to be done quarantine.
No, but what time?
3 hours left. It's 8:30.
Jeez, you said it like it was like 1 hour.
Oh, I wish. This has been the longest. The last 4 hours have been the longest of the whole time. Do you agree?
Yeah.
It's so busy that it cannot even ring anymore, and the phone is still off the hook. That's how busy the wheel is.
So we couldn't get through. It's been 3 hours, so my brother offered to stop by. So he's going to put in the order for us, and they're going to deliver the pizza here. Whew.
Is he there yet?
He's there.
Is he in front of the line?
Yeah. And he's ordering
Medium
6.
garlic.
Medium meat, slice of pepperoni, garlic fingers with donair sauce,
At 6.
and 6 chocolate milk.
6? We need 8.
Oh gosh, this is gonna be good living. Party at Brooklyn.
Why you sleep when you're next to me?
It's Benny's.
I think my mouth is watering right now. Benny's. And I think it's the best looking one yet.
Where's my pizza?
Started at 7. It's 9:30. And it's still worth it.
For the Jurassic World, you could even recreate Jurassic Park or Jurassic World.
No?
I want to recreate the same movie. Whenever you get pizza at the wheel, one thing that you have to try is Scotch-burn chocolate milk with any kind of wheel pizza, and it's so good.
Show them how good it is. Take a sip of that.
Ah, it's so good.
But we do love farmer's milk, right? We do love farmer's milk.
Mm-hmm.
Just Scotch-burn chocolate.
But this is just better with the wheel.
We got time on our
Guys,
side.
are we doing it?
We're in a state of home. I need you on my side. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. Got everything here, at least to stay alive, and the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own.
That's what happens when you hit midnight.
We got something strong.
She's not
And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You will be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here. I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise.
We're sailing right now, and we have some guests on board, which is my nanny and Doug, and we're going to Port Hawkesbury. The weather is clear. When we were coming out of the harbor, there was fog, and right now I'm gonna go play cribbage. I just skunked Nanny.
We had left the boat in Halifax while we were under quarantine, so we went back yesterday and picked it up and headed toward Cape Breton. It's a pretty barren coastline, I would say, but it's beautiful still the same. And we're just pulling in now into the Strait of Canso, so there's kind of a little channel that we can follow on the interior that I've always loved. It's one of my favorite parts of the trip. It's just super peaceful back here. Birds and seals and little cabins. Super cute. We have my mom on board, her husband Doug, so they've been playing lots of cribbage with Char, helping out. It's super nice to have a couple extra hands around and enjoy this beautiful place together.
That sail last night went pretty fast. We did the overnight from Halifax to here. Really calm at night. Ran just one engine at like 5.5 knots. Actually slow down.
Super calm, and yeah, doing just one night at sea feels like nothing now after the last few passages we've had. It feels pretty breezy. We steamed on to Canso to meet old friends Buns and Darlene. The story they tell is one that has echoed all over eastern Canada. The collapse of the fisheries, loss of jobs, and great migration of young people out of the province in search of opportunity. So you guys grew up here?
I grew up in Little Dover.
Yeah.
He grew up here in Canso, right on this water.
So what
Just
was
a
it?
house just up the road up here.
What was it like growing up here?
You never know no difference, right?
That's true.
Yeah.
We didn't know no difference. This is what we had. Yeah, yeah. I loved it actually. A lot of good memories with family, like just water stuff. It was just unreal with Dad and stuff and in the boats and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
I think that living in a city or somewhere, you'd miss all that. You wouldn't have that. A lot of experiences we had, fishing and stuff.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, and just my hometown, we just go down on the wharf and jump off in the water, just in the field, and go swimming. Boil conchs, get conchs in a can, and boil them with a fire, and take a needle and pick them out and eat them.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did a lot of that.
See
Yeah.
big changes here since you grew up?
Oh yeah, big time. Less people. Yeah,
It was
yeah.
a fishing town, and it's just gone down. That whole area right there was one great big fish plant. The whole parking lot was. There was like 5 or 6 trawlers coming out of here at one time, working 3 shifts a day, 24 hours.
What were they catching?
Cod, paddock, redfish, flounder, yellowtails, anything, like all of that.
Yeah,
It's all gone.
brown fish.
All gone.
Yeah, yeah,
Just fished out.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And now there's
And then they
just
took the quotas away from the town somewhere else, so that you don't have any fishing quotas for here. Very few.
yeah. There's a little fish plant over here that they work 2 months out of the summer. Just 2 months, and they do lobsters and crab. Lobsters and crab.
So you guys had a good lobster season here?
Oh yeah, yeah,
It's like everywhere that.
yeah. Really good lobster season.
Good
Best
for-
lobsters you'll eat too.
Oh, I agree with that.
100%.
Yeah,
They're
yeah.
so good up here.
The rock lobsters are the best.
Yeah.
Just a hard shell.
Yeah,
They need a
yeah,
hammer to get into.
yeah. That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
best.
true.
It's
Yeah.
the best. No, it's cool to stop in Canso.
Yeah.
Big place.
My God, just add that onto your list.
Oh,
It is-
yeah.
It is now on the list.
We arrived in Port Hawkesbury just in time to do what we do best in Nova Scotia, gather for a big meal with family and enjoy a game of cards. Watch next time as we continue our tour of Eastern Canada.